guys, welcome to Yellow. So today I've been doing all these things today, but right now at this moment in this video I'm going to be playing with only yellow fidgets. Yeah, so right off the bat I see this yellow orby. Very soft, very nice. It feels really good. So that's number one. Ooh, did it pop? Ooh, did it pop? I feel something wet. Or was that for my eyes? Okay, I'm not giving up on this guy. Did it actually pop? Does it have a hole? Okay, no, that's from the MSF file. Ooh, got me scared for a second. They have a lot. This little guy, he's rainbow. I just saw his head. This little thing, I just use it to stretch, like, literally. But this is probably the only time I'm going to my face in the color rainbow thing. So, but I use it as a little stretcher. Why do I look weird? But so when I put it high, it like does that. I look weird. Yeah, so I'm gonna count that as a fidget. And the bottom literally popped out. There's gonna be a lot. So I have these little things. I don't know. They're just little gibbets I keep in here. No, they're not gibbets. Not. Yeah. But I have this little hamster guy that I just like to play with. And I like to take him apart. And look, I like to take off this little thing and just roll it. So I'm gonna count it as a fidget. Oh, sorry. Put your rubber in. Gumball machine. I got this in 2021 actually. This little gumball machine. I've been keeping these things in it ever since. Okay, check the DIY. Okay, just like orange, nothing in there. Check this one. Okay, yeah, this one. It's feeling a little. So I might not be able to make blue and all those other colors, but here is yellow. It's definitely yellow. And then this snake. I'm gonna kind of yellow. Oh my gosh, my camera went crazy again, like it did earlier. Ooh, I actually didn't realize this. Look, yellow. And this fidget spinner has yellow on it, so I'm gonna. Yeah, green's definitely gonna win, but I think yellow is gonna win so far. Poppets. Okay, so I sadly have no yellow. Ooh, wait. Does this count? Do you think it counts? I have yellow. Let's see if it matches. Okay, so it matches, but it's mostly pink. So I'm sorry. Yeah, you can definitely see a lot of green poppets in here. This yellow dude. It's mostly yellow and it matches the vibes. I think I'm gonna fit it in, and then obviously, nope. Okay, so I think this is gonna be quick. So obviously, this just off. So I have this like green alligator, and I piloted up with it one time, and it just stained it. So I guess it's gonna be like this for the rest of its life, but pretty cool. Poppet ball, only pop yellow. Perfect. This little stress ball and this thing, also nice squish, and the snake. And let's get this guy, so cute. And then last but not least, the fidget spinner. In total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I kind of think red's in the lead though, but. I think I'm gonna film green tomorrow, but just know all the other parts are up. This is part 3, by the way. Part 2 just got uploaded, and part 1 was been uploaded. But so just so you guys don't get worried, I'm gonna upload tomorrow in the morning, probably around 11 o'clock. Yeah, probably around 11 o'clock. But just be aware, I'm gonna post. Okay? But bye! Come back for part 4, which is tomorrow. Should I count this in part 4? Yeah, I'm gonna count it.